Hello there! In this video, we will demonstrate how to upload a banner into your bundle. Once you've created the bundle, click on Edit, then navigate to the bundle settings and scroll down. You will notice that we've provided the option to upload banners for both desktop and mobile versions. For instance, if we remove the existing banner, the recommended sizes for desktop and mobile are displayed. When you upload and preview the bundle, you'll see how the banner appears. The primary purpose of using a banner is to display and communicate discount messages or promotional offers, such as a free gift with a specific bundle. This encourages customers to add more products to their carts, thereby increasing conversion rates. So, this is how you upload a banner. It's important to note that the banner feature is currently only available for the full page and subscription templates in our Easy Bundles. The inline and expandable product pages do not support the banner feature. This is because these pages are designed to display products directly in the product card and publishing bundle on the product page itself, focusing on increasing conversion rates. We hope you found this information helpful. Thank you so much.